Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss an important topic in physics, reflection of light at curved surface. This is the first chapter, Introduction. We see all objects, colorful world around us. How is it possible? What energy is needed to see the things? The energy light which is emitted from the object that enter into our eyes. Then we can see the objects. Light is a form of energy which causes the sensation of vision. With the help of the light we see the objects. Otherwise we can't see the objects. Reflection of light. The laws already in previous class we have learned the laws of reflection. The first law, the incident ray, the reflected ray, the normal to the surface of the mirror all lie in the same plane. The second law, the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. Both the angles are measured with respect to the normal to the mirror. Finding the normal to a curved surface. Take a small piece of thin foam or rubber, put some pins along a straight line on the foam. All these pins are perpendicular to the plane of the foam. If the foam is considered as a mirror, each pin would represent the normal at that point. Any ray incident at the point where the pin makes contact with the surface that will reflect with the same angle. Now bend the foam piece inwards. They represent the normal at various points, but all the pins tend to converge at a one point. If we bend the foam piece outward, we will see that the pins seem to move away from each other. They diverge as shown in the figure. This gives us an idea of what is likely to happen with a spherical mirror. Spherical mirrors are two types. First one is concave mirror, second one is convex mirror. If the inner side of the spherical mirror is reflecting, it is called a concave mirror. If the outer side of the spherical mirror is reflecting, it is called an convex mirror. Tangent of a circle. Already we know one line meet exactly one point. Such lines are called tangents. The radius to the point where the circle and the tangent meet will always be perpendicular. Always be perpendicular. Thank you.